Are black bathroom fixtures hard to keep clean? A common question we hear is, how do I keep it clean? The great news is, matte black bathroom fixtures are easy to keep clean, and with a few simple do's and don'ts, they will keep their beautiful matte finish for the life of the product. The things to do. The best cleaner for your matte black fixture is warm, soapy water or pH-balanced soap-based cleanser, applied with a soft, damp cloth. We recommend that you use a clean microfiber cloth. These are readily available, cheap, machine washable, and most importantly won't scratch your matte black surfaces. Always wipe your fixtures down after each use to prevent mineral buildup and water spots. Always check the manufacturer's instructions before starting any cleaning regime. The things not to do. When caring for your matte black shower or grab rail, the surface is a little rough. It is this rough surface that refracts and reflects light to give a matte appearance. This means the surface is susceptible to damage if not cared for properly, so remember these important don'ts when cleaning your fixtures. Don't use abrasive cleaners, ammoniated products, rubbing alcohol, detergents, astringents, bleach-based cleaners, aggressive chemicals, abrasive cleaning pads, or harsh polishes. If you are not sure about your cleaner, and it includes chemicals you can't identify, don't use it. Don't allow soap scum or toothpaste to build upon the product. These will gradually wear away the coating and may diminish the durable finish. One important thing: ensure you take special care when handling and installing your matte black bathroom fixtures. Often damage to the surface happens during the building/renovation stage, so inspect your products before you have them installed, and keep them protected until your renovation is finished. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.